Hi, I'm Sophia and I work in product marketing here at Owl Labs. I'm here to tell you about some of the newest features we've released over the last few months to help you get even more value out of your Meeting Owl Pro. You can check out the blog post linked in the description below to learn more about these features and read FAQs about how to use them. The first new feature we're highlighting is Presenter Enhance. Turning on Presenter Enhance makes the Meeting Owl Pro track presenters and teachers more closely so remote participants can follow the discussion. Perfect for leading a meeting or a hybrid lecture, the Meeting Owl Pro will track the presenter as they move around the room so you can present in your own authentic style. The Meeting Owl Pro will still focus on other participants if they have questions, but it will refocus on you more quickly once you resume speaking. You can turn on Presenter Enhance by pressing the O button on the side of your Meeting Owl Pro or by turning it on in the Meeting Owl app. Another new feature is Owl Connect. You can now pair two Meeting Owl Pros in the same room to expand your video and audio range in larger meeting rooms and classrooms. With Owl Connect, your Meeting Owl Pros wirelessly pair with each other for a seamless remote meeting experience. To pair your Meeting Owl Pros, access the Owl Connect feature in your Meeting Owl app. Presenter Enhance is also compatible with Owl Connect if you're leading a presentation or lecture in a larger room. If you've downloaded the iPad version of the Meeting Owl app, you now have access to Digital Whiteboard, which creates a digital writing surface to share notes and ideas with meeting participants. Digital Whiteboard can be accessed on the dashboard view of the iPad version of the Meeting Owl app. To learn more about our newest features, check out the blog post linked in the description below. And if you have any questions about using your Meeting Owl Pro, we're always here to help at support@owllabs.com. Thanks for watching.